Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a G37 headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and your brand new replacement bulb. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Wearing protective gloves is also a smart idea to prevent any skin irritation or damage to the bulb. Now, let's get to accessing that headlight. Begin by turning your steering wheel fully towards the side where you'll be working. This gives you better access. Next, you'll need to remove several plastic clips and screws that hold the fender liner in place. A flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool works best for these. Once loosened, carefully pull back the fender liner to reveal the headlight assembly. With the headlight assembly exposed, locate the circular bulb housing cover. Gently twist this cover counterclockwise until it loosens and can be removed. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old headlight bulb by pressing the tab and pulling. Now, twist the old bulb itself counterclockwise to release it, then carefully insert your new bulb, twisting clockwise to secure it. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, replace the bulb housing cover, twisting it clockwise until it's snug and secure. Carefully push the fender liner back into position, reinserting all the plastic clips and screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your G37 and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly before hitting the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.